This is our first painting project. We are going to be doing it with tempera paint. It is going to be considered a monochromatic, meaning one color. So you'll choose one color and use the tints and shades of that color to create your painting. Now, we are going to do an image search on Google to find an image that you like. Now, it can be a person, it can be an animal, pretty much anything. You have to get it okayed by me to be able to do it. You do want to select 4 or 5 different ideas because some of them may not work. So we'll just kind of have to deal with that as it comes. All right, so here I have went ahead and start searching for images. I went for large black and white photos. All right, so that's what you want to search for. So I'm going to click and save. You all need to probably do a screenshot of whatever image that you like. Try not to get too detailed. Okay, let's do this one too. And I have collected others, so this is just not the end of it. Okay, so the photo editing that we're going to be using is called Photo P. All right. Okay, and then you'll go to photop.com. This is a free editing software online. It's pretty much like a simplified Photoshop. So when you come here, you're going to go File, Open. You're going to find the area that you have saved all your pictures. Okay, and I am, let's do this flower. Okay, so what's nice is that if it's already black and white, you're going to have an easier way of doing the adjustments. So just to check it, we're going to go to Adjustments, Image, Adjustments, and then you're going to scroll all the way down where it says Posterize. All right, so that's what it looks like right now with 3 layers, white, black, and gray. Too simplified. So we want to move it up. Okay, so this is 6 levels. So we have white, black, and then a mid-tone of grays. Now you can play around with the different levels. Obviously 2 is too simple. 5 is good. 7 is better. Okay, you can go all the way up to 255, but you lose the value distinctions. So we want to keep it kind of simple. 21 is still too high, I think, because you do want to get this finished. Okay, so let's say I want to do that. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go File, and then I'm going to save it. All right, you can also print it, but we are just going to save as a PSD. Now, if you want to do a different type, let's do the eyeball. I want to show you how this eyeball is, and I'm going to enlarge it just once. Okay, so it's already black and white, thank goodness. We're going to take this images and we're going to go to the posterize. Now, that's only 3 layers or levels, and that's a lot of stuff. Now, if you are okay with working with detail, you are more than welcome to do something like this. You want to probably 3 or 4 so that you know that those are the colors that you're going to be doing. So it'd be black, white, and 2 values. All right, it's up to you if that's what you want to do. Let's do this one. I think this is Michael Jackson. So we're going to go to Image, Adjustments, the Posterize. Okay, that's pretty cool. I kind of like the spider. I think the spider's kind of cool. If we take it up just a little bit, I think 6 is too much. Maybe we'll go with 5. Yeah, 5 works out pretty good. Okay, so you can see that. I think if we go any more lower, let's do 4, see what that looks like. 4 is not too bad, but I would not go any less than 4. So this would be white. We have a background of black, and then you would have 2 grays, 2 gray colors. But we are using a color. Okay, we're not just using white, black, and gray. We're going to be doing the monochromatic for that. So you're just going to have to kind of play around with this. Here's one. Now this is actually a painting. So what we can do, it is already black and white. I do want to play around with the brightness just a little bit and maybe play down, no, take the contrast up a little bit. All right. Now, nothing is saved until you tell it to save. So we'll go to adjustments, go down to the posterize, and there's 3 levels. So it's black, white, and a gray. Let's move it up a little bit more. I don't like 6. 4 is good. There's 5. I think I like 4. Okay, so we would have white, black, dark gray, and a mid gray. All right, so this is getting you prepared to do the value contrast when we're doing the values for the monochromatic painting that you're going to be doing on canvas board. So what you would do is just hit OK. You can do a screenshot. You can come up here and save it as a PSD. All right, save it where you're going to be able to find it and save it. Okay, you're also going to print this out twice. You want 2. So we're going to save. Print is right there. And then you're going to print it out. Now, before you print, you need to decide which size canvas board you're going to use. We're going to have 3 sizes, and what you pick is what you get. There's no swapping out or anything like that. We only have enough. Sorry, we just have enough for everybody to have one. So I will show you how to take this drawing that you've created all these levels to be able to put it onto a canvas board. All right, you're not freehanding this, so don't worry about that.